What is up, guys? Buenos dias! This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of a famous red grape variety from Spain. This is the grape behind the famous Spanish wines of Bierzo that are made in the León province, in the Castilla y León region of Spain. The famous Bierzo wines that are really up and coming. They have really boomed in popularity over the last few years, or let's say over the last decade. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of this grape that produces some deep, profound, rather tannic and quite herbal, very interesting wines? The grape that is called Mencia, with the typical Spanish pronunciation, Mencia. You do want to insist on the I here, because there is an accent on it. Mencia. Mencia from Bierzo. Mencia. Mencia red grape. If you want to learn more about all types of Spanish wines and grapes, here are many more videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino. Au revoir. Hasta luego.